Let's talk Azure SQL Database. Azure SQL Database is a managed, scalable, and intelligent relational database service provided by Microsoft Azure. It offers a wide array of features that make it ideal for everything from lightweight to enterprise-level applications. Types of Azure SQL Database. Single database, best for applications that require a single, isolated database. Managed instance, ideal for on-premises SQL Server workloads that are moving to the cloud. Elastic pool, suitable for a collection of databases with varying and unpredictable usage. Features: automatic scaling, dynamic scaling without downtime. Advanced analytics, integration with Azure Synapse Analytics for big data analysis. Geo-replication, multi-region read and write capabilities. Security. Data encryption, TDE, transparent data encryption, is enabled by default. Advanced threat protection, real-time security alerts and monitoring. Capacity and performance. DTUs and vCores, various models to cater to different performance requirements. In-memory OLTP, improved transactional processing speeds. Purpose and usage. Web apps, back-end databases for scalable web applications. Business apps, suitable for ERP and CRM systems. Data warehousing, although not as optimized as Azure Synapse, still viable. Availability. SLA of 99.995%, high availability with geo-redundant backups. Scalability. Vertical and horizontal scaling, easily scale up/down or out/in. Best practices. Index optimization, regularly optimize indexes for performance. Monitoring, make use of Azure Monitor and advanced threat protection. Backup and restore, ensure that backup and restore strategies are in place and tested. How to make use of it. Creation, use Azure Portal to create an SQL database instance. Configuration, customize settings like firewall rules and scaling options. Access, use SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, or other compatible platforms to interact with the database. Summary. What? Azure SQL Database is a managed relational database service by Azure. Types: single database, managed instance, and elastic pool. Features: automatic scaling, analytics, and geo-replication. Security: data encryption and advanced threat protection. Capacity: DTUs and vCores for performance. Purpose: ideal for web apps, business apps, and data warehousing. Availability: high SLA of 99.995%. Scalability: both vertical and horizontal. Best practices: index optimization, monitoring, and backup strategies. Usage: create via Azure Portal, configure, and access through various platforms. Thanks for watching.